Stop wasting time with outdated gear that holds your projects back. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right equipment is the secret to a professional finish. Today, we're counting down 20 game-changing woodworking tools you need in your shop for 2026. We're covering everything from high-tech precision gadgets that guarantee accuracy to the latest cordless power tools designed to double your efficiency. If you're ready for a total workshop upgrade and want to see the best woodworking gear hitting the market right now, you're in the right place. Let's dive into these essential picks and level up your craftsmanship. Power through tough jobs with confidence. The Stafanailer roofing nailer is a must-have when speed, strength, and reliability matter most on construction sites. This roofing nail gun for roofing constructions accepts 15° 7/8" to 1 3/8" nails, 120 pieces. The load. Capacity. High speed. Durable pneumatic coil nailer is built with an alloy structural steel nose and a USA ASTM impact-resistant tool steel piston driver, heat-treated for hardness and wear resistance. With wide compatibility for wall, floor, and subfloor framing, roof decking, truss and window build-up, and mobile home construction, plus a user-friendly side-loading magazine, 70 to 120 PSI operation, a polymer bumper, and a rust-resistant aluminum alloy body. It's used for heavy-duty roofing and construction tasks by professionals and DIYers alike. Cut smarter, not harder. The Jorgensen hand saw is essential when clean, fast cuts matter in everyday projects. This black-coated coarse hand saw with 8 TPI triple ground teeth delivers fast and efficient cutting, providing 50% faster results. Built with an SK5 steel blade for consistent performance, it resists rust and bending. The ergonomics. Non-slip aluminum handle features a reinforced design with angle guides and an edge protector. It is used for sawing, trimming, gardening, pruning, PVC cutting, woodworking, and DIY tasks. Clean edges make all the difference, and that's where the Kimgsoak edge banding trimmer becomes essential for precise woodworking results. This veneer edge band trimmer tool solution is an edge banding cutter for wood that works as a true edge master, cutting smoothly and effortlessly while producing beautiful long shavings and a smooth flush finish, saving you sanding time. Built from high-density aluminium alloy with a wear-resistant coating and a razor-sharp HSS blade, it handles PVC, ABS, melamine, and veneer. It is used for trimming edge banding quickly, cleanly, and accurately in woodworking projects. Perfect lines start perfect projects, and the Clarke Brothers wheel marking gauge is essential for accuracy in fine woodworking. This woodworking marking scriber kit with 2 replacement cutters, wood marking tools with graduated inch and millimeter scales, and a solid metal bar wood scribe tool for carpenters features a patent-pending roll-stop fence with a flat spot to lay out lines parallel to a flat wood surface with maximum precision. Built from solid brass, steel, and aluminum alloy with laser-engraved scales, it ensures clean, controlled marking. It is used to mark exact cut lines for precise woodworking and carpentry tasks. Perfect cuts start with perfect measurements. The Staxon Stair Tread template tool is essential for avoiding costly mistakes in stair and angle work, saving time and material. Woodworking Shelf Template Project features an innovative extendable connector design that works as a multi-function folding ruler. The hidden screw slide rail sits flush for accuracy, while ergonomic flat knobs and CNC machined aluminum alloy ensure durability. It's used for stair installation, flooring layout, roof angles, tiling, woodworking, furniture making, and precision measuring. Every solid project starts with a rock-steady grip. The Olympia Tools Woodworker's Vise is a necessity for secure clamping when accuracy and safety matter. Ideal for home, shop, and contractor use, It mounts firmly to a workbench with countersunk holes to hold wood pieces together for assembly. Its cast iron construction with 30 kpsi strength and powder-coated finish handles heavy hardware and woodwork. Made to last, it reflects the right tool for the job philosophy behind superior instruments from Olympia tools. It's used for woodworking, repairs, mechanical maintenance, and home projects. Measure with confidence wherever precision matters. The Probon measuring tape is a necessity for accurate, hassle-free work, combining anti-rust durability with a smart hollow design. That's easy to clean. This portable self-locking tape measure for household woodworking, 25 foot, features strong magnetism on the bottom for hands-free use and clear, high-definition scale printing. Waterproof, rust-proof, and safe to handle, it even works as a practical gift tape. It's used for household tasks, woodworking, DIY projects, repairs, and everyday measuring jobs. Lock your work down with confidence and precision. The Ruitool bench dog clamp is a necessity for stable, accurate woodworking, offering a 3/4 inch stable hold-fast dog hole clamp fit for MFT tables. These adjustable MFT table aluminum table clamps for woodworking tools feature non-marking silicone pads to protect surfaces. Lightweight, adjustable, and tightly clamping with durable all-metal construction, they handle milling, cutting, and grinding with ease. It's used to securely hold workpieces on workbenches, improving control, safety, and efficiency for beginners and experts alike. Peel, shape, and prep wood like a pro with the Konload tree draw knife. For quickly removing bark and extra wood from logs, fence posts, and firewood. This 10-inch hand-forged curved draw shave knife debarking tool, wood scraper for woodworking tool, bark peeling wood shaver tool is indispensable. Crafted from hardened steel with a one-piece handle design and non-slip grip, it offers durability and safety. Its curved blade fits various diameters, making it perfect for timber framers, wood turners, carvers, and furniture fabricators to efficiently debark and shape wood. Achieve precise drawer installations with the Violetfox Drawer Slide Jig. This drawer slide installation tool with toggle clamp and magnetic arm, cabinet hardware, jig punch locator for cabinets, desks, fast and easy. Accurate installation is essential for effortless, accurate slide alignment. Featuring an upgraded toggle clamp and strong magnetic support arm, it securely holds slides while keeping hands free. Extendable connectors allow work on taller cabinets, and it fits all standard slide types. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, this durable jig ensures fast, repeatable, and damage-free drawer installations. Smooth results start with the right power. The Dovaman Orbital sander is essential for fast, clean, and controlled sanding on any project. This 3-amp random orbit sander features 6 variable speeds up to 13,000 revolutions per minute, a 5-inch sanding pad, 12 pieces of sandpapers, and efficient dust collection. Powered by a pure copper motor with a low vibration design, it ensures comfort and precision. It's used for woodworking, polishing wood, metal, PVC, and removing paint or varnish with professional level control. Lock your work down with confidence. The Gottinfurt bench Vise is essential for stability when precision and strength matter. With a clamping force of up to 5,500 pounds, this 4.5-inch table vise for workbench is made of cast steel and high-strength forged steel, rated at 60,000 psi. Featuring a heavy-duty workbench vise swivel for woodworking, 270 degrees rotation, and pipe and flat jaws, this multi-purpose vise is used for woodworking, metalwork, DIY projects, and industrial repairs. One tool, endless possibilities for every tough job. The Galax Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is essential when cutting, sanding, or grinding demands speed and control. Featuring a quick clamp system change and 30 pieces of accessories, a 4-degree oscillating angle for cutting, sanding, grinding, and a variable speed dial, it adapts to every task. Powered by a 3.5 amperes high-powered, precision-built electric motor, its compact ergonomic design reaches tight spaces. It's used for cutting ducts, trim, nails, grout removal, sanding surfaces, and detailed home improvement work. Perfect. Shelves start with perfect holes. The Milescraft CabinetMate drilling jig is essential for creating accurate, wobble-free shelving with ease. This cabinet drill guide for straight holes helps create holes for wobble-free shelves and includes a drill bit, index pins, and built-in storage. Designed for precise drilling, it features a 1/4 inch self-centering brad point bit with a custom spring-loaded design. This versatile hardware jig is also used to mark Euro-style hinges for clean, professional cabinet installations. Precision starts with the right blade. The Kakuri Kiridashi knife is essential for craftsmen who demand control and accuracy in fine work. This left-hand 21mm, left-handed utility knife tool for wood marking, scribing, carving, whittling, and woodworking features a hand-forged Japanese steel blade with a hammered pattern for a secure grip. Razor-sharp and compact, it delivers unmatched precision. It is used for detailed woodworking, bamboo art, deburring, leatherwork, camping tasks, bonsai care, and garden grafting. Perfect stairs start with perfect measurements. The Empire of Electronics Tread Template tool is essential for eliminating guesswork and avoiding unsightly gaps during stair projects. This stair gauge set with carpenter pencil and level for extra precision. Solid metal stairs jig for accurately measuring angle and length helps you measure treads and risers with confidence. With ruler markings, adjustable knobs, and durable 2mm zinc-plated steel construction, it's used for stair building, remodeling, and precise construction layout work. Precision makes every project easier. The Seika drilling positioning ruler is essential for accurate layouts and clean installations without repeated measuring. This adjustable 13.78-inch multifunctional T-square ruler, cabinet hardware jig, and marking gauge tool for woodworking and cabinet drawer. Dusel hole drilling template delivers 4-in-1 functionality with adjustable positioning blocks. Featuring dual-axis bubble levels and durable aluminum alloy construction, it's used for drilling, marking, cabinet building, drawer and door hardware installation, shelf making, and DIY woodworking projects. Perfect corners make perfect projects. Spurtar corner clamps are essential for maintaining accuracy and stability when precise alignment matters most. This woodworking with adjustable swing jaw, 90-degree clamp for woodworking. Photo framing welding, metalworking crafts. DIY household projects tool ensures true right angles without slippage. Featuring a swing jaw design, die-cast aluminum construction, and an ergonomic anti-slip handle, it is used for framing, gluing, drilling, welding, cabinet making, box building, metalworking, and detailed DIY household projects. Small saw, big cutting power. The Galax Pro Mini Circular Saw is essential for precise, portable cutting where full-size tools feel bulky. This cordless circular saw features a 2.0 ampere-hour battery, delivering 3,400 revolutions per minute performance with a laser guide, rip guide, and 2-piece blades, 24 teeth plus 60 teeth. With a 4.5-inch blade, maximum cutting depth 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees, it's used for cutting wood, soft metal, tile, drywall, plastic, bevels, framing, and detailed DIY projects safely and accurately. Turn rough lumber into smooth perfection fast. The Wen electric hand planer is essential for clean, accurate surface finishing and material leveling. This 3 1/4 inch planer features a 6 amp motor that provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute for powerful, consistent performance. With 16 positive stops, adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1/8 inch. It can make rabbets up to 1 inch in size with the 5/16 inch rabbiting guide. Its lightweight design weighs in at a mere 6 pounds and includes a power planer, a dust bag, a kickstand, and a parallel fence bracket, making it ideal for woodworking, trimming, and precise carpentry tasks. That's our list of the must-have woodworking tools to take your builds to the next level. Which of these tools are you adding to your wish list first? Drop a comment below and let me know. We love hearing about your workshop setup. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and shop tours. You can find links to all the gear we mentioned today in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy building!